Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Stopping by birds on a snowy evening. Summary है very important learning outcome देखें. While teaching or learning this lesson, we will be able to enhance the reading and learning skills of the students. Number 2, learn the meanings and synonyms of the difficult words. Learn the spellings of important words. Develop an understanding about the context. Grasp the grammatical concepts. Use various words in sentences. Learn about the central idea. Next, learn about the speaker's motivation. Next, learn the word for word, contextual and textual translation. Learn the answers of the text and exercise questions. डायग्राम देखें गौर से और उसके बाद समरी है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. स्टैंडर्ड समरी है, 300 वर्ड्स की है. पहला पैराग्राफ देखें. दिस इंस्पायरेशनल, fascinating and symbolic poem has been written by Robert Frost. He was an American poet. He is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. This poem is regarded as one of his masterpieces. It was published in his collection called New Hampshire in 1923. अब समरी शुरू होती है. वो पहले पोएट के बारे में था. दिस पोएम presents a conflict between love of nature and call of social responsibilities. Full stop. On a dark winter evening, the rider stops his little horse to watch the snow falling in the woods. At first, he worries that the owner of the property will be upset by his presence, but in the same breath, he remembers that the owner lives in the village. Full stop. So he could not get into trouble for trespassing and enjoy the beauty of the snow falling because there is no one to catch him trespassing. Full stop. However, it is very strange for the rider's horse to stop between frozen lake and woods with no farmhouse close by and no sign of hay. He impatiently gives a little shake to his harness bells to ask if there is some mistake. Now the rider realizes the pull of obligations and all the considerable distance before he can rest for the night. He considers the distance that he has to cover before his sleep. Full stop. Perhaps, he has promised someone to return before the sleeping time. So he does not stop there for long and starts his journey again. It also ends his Telma to stay in woods to enjoy the beauty of nature. Next paragraph है. The words acquire symbolic resonance in the last stanza, which concludes with one of the Frost often quoted lines, "Miles to go before I sleep." One interpretation of this stanza is that the rider is tempted towards death, which he considers lovely, dark and deep, but he has many responsibilities to fulfill before his sleep. In the poem, sleep stands for death. In short, the poem trumpets the beauty of nature and hints at the need to carry on the daily affairs of life. The world of fantasy is very inviting, but one must maintain balance between the world of fantasy and reality. English भी है. Letter number 4. Write a letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. Examination of CD, ABC, March 20, 2020 का लेना 15 है. Dear mother, M capital, mother का. I am sorry I did not write to you earlier, as I was busy बिजी की बात प्रपोजिशन नहीं आना है. आई वॉज बिजी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर माई टेस्ट इन फिजिक्स. इट वॉज हेल्ड yesterday. My performance in the test is satisfactory, comma. I hope to get full marks in it. I have attempted 11 questions, full stop. The answer to one question was wrong, but it was an extra question. I hope that you will be satisfied with my explanation now. Pay my regards to everyone at home. Yours affectionately, comma XYZ. यही डायरी आपकी.